Oh no, the roller coaster broke down. Now we're stuck.
Don't worry, I will save you.
How?
By the power of manufacturing.
Let's meet some of my friends to help you understand how.
That's cool, but isn't manufacturing just working in an assembly line?
That it's not necessarily what they see in the old movies where it was dark and dirty and hot and sweaty.
I think it has a bad stereotype of just standing in one place all day and just picking things up and putting them down. There's a lot to manufacturing, whether it be robotics or CNC.
It must require a degree then, right?
Not necessarily a degree, but trade school definitely helps. I went to college to learn business management, and that helped me to advance in the company.
I went to Stevens Tech in Lancaster. I have an associate's degree in machine technology. I also have years of experience as a mechanic and other just good grounded work ethics.
If I don't need a degree, it must be boring then, right?
We did a huge menorah project.
I like it here. It's a good fit for my personality.
If it's so fun, why does this field need more awareness?
So that places like this, any other kind of places, don't die off and nobody's in the trades. It's a dying breed.
So, what is so cool about manufacturing?
Because you get to make something in this building and then travel to Japan and ride on a roller coaster that was built here. You get to go to Toronto, Canada and eat a cheeseburger that was made on a grill that was made in Higgins, Pennsylvania. You get to go anywhere in the world and see what you've done. We just made a beautiful monument that was shipped out to San Diego last week, and it will stand for a century. And every time anyone from here is out there, they can say that was built in Higgins at Ashtec. And it's amazing to me. And that's what's so cool about it, making the cool things and being able to be with a cool team to do it.
Wow, thank you. You and your friends taught me so much.